Select the one word or phrase that needs to be used in place of the underlined text to make the sentence correct, or indicate that the underlined text is not an error. The Seabed 2030 project has given researchers and companies a clear goal to work towards: map the entire sea floor by the end of this decade. Before taking a look at our choices, let's see if we can find an error in our underlined phrase. This phrase includes a colon. A colon's job is to introduce lists or text, or to provide emphasis or clarity. And indeed, that's what we see here. The colon works to introduce the clear goal that the researchers have: to map the entire sea floor by the end of this decade. As a colon works here, it's likely that our answer is A, no error, but we can take a look to see if our choices offer us a better alternative. B, towards semicolon map. A semicolon's job is to separate two independent clauses, or clauses that each have a subject and predicate. The first clause has a clear subject and predicate, the Seabed 2030 project and has given, respectively, but the second clause doesn't have a subject. It doesn't tell us who will be mapping the entire seafloor. This being the case, we can see that it wouldn't be appropriate to separate these two clauses with a semicolon, as they're not independent clauses, and we can mark this choice as incorrect. C, towards map, with no punctuation. It's quite clear that we need some sort of punctuation to separate between these two clauses. If not, the sentence becomes a run-on sentence. This choice can be marked as incorrect. And D, towards comma map. A comma is simply too weak to separate these two clauses. We need something stronger that will establish what the relationship between these two clauses is. As that's exactly what the colon is accomplishing here by introducing the goal, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.